welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Target haul. I actually did a pretty good job at Target. I got a lot of items. This is the first time in a long time that I did really good with Target, so I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I purposely tried to do Ibotta deals at Target, but Ibotta has not been very good with the Target, so I try to show you guys as many other deals as possible. Now, a lot of these deals I did do that you guys can do at Kroger, but most of you guys don't have one of those stores nearby, so I wanted to share with you guys these deals just in case you don't have that store. So I ended up getting the Del Monte fruit and oats. Now, these were $2.29. There's a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus, we had 75% off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. Now, some of you guys might even have $1 coupons. But you guys would end up paying 96 cents with the 75% off coupon. You guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 21 cents. Now, there was also a deal on Checkout 51, but it sold out. Ben, turn the light back on. Turn the light back on.
I can see right there.
I know, but it looks weird. Turn the light back on. Thank you. So you guys would just, Benjamin, please. You guys would just get this for 21 cents, but Checkout 51 did sell out as, Benjamin, as I was submitting my receipt. So, not a big deal.
Mommy still has.
You're so sweet. Now, this is going to be a dead deal. The coupon ends today, but I ended up getting the Bic razors. Hold on, sweetie. These were $5.49. You guys want to use 2 of those $3 off coupons. The coupons do expire today. You guys would just pay $4.98 for these, but then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making them just absolutely free. So I wanted to share with you guys on those deals. I ended up getting the Advil. Now, the Advil was $3.99. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying just $1.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Saving Star, making it absolutely free. But I found out I also had another $1 Advil deal, so I ended up getting this for a $1.01 moneymaker. So I got that absolutely free. Now I thought I was doing, sometimes I see deals and I do them and then I'm like, why did I just do that? I thought it was going to be cheaper. So I ended up getting the Clairol hair. Now these were $6.89. I used 3 $3 off coupons that were available on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $11.67 for these. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making it $6.67 or $2.22. I don't know what I did wrong. I thought I was doing a different deal, but whatever. I learned from my mistakes. I'm not making a big deal about it. So we got those. Now I ended up doing the Swabs men shampoo deal. Now these were $2.89. I got the bigger bottle. Now each of them had like a coupon attached to it. And the cashier was about to like use these. And I says, no, don't use those because I actually have a better coupon. So these were $2.89. You guys want to use 2 of those 2 off of 2 coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $7.56 for all 4 of them. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making it just $2.56 or just 64 cents a piece. So again, I ended up getting 4 of them because I can. Now these are the same. These are cheaper at Kroger / Pick and Save / Dillon's / I don't even know what other stores you guys have. So it's cheaper doing it that deal, but not a lot of you guys have those stores. So if you guys are interested in that, and you can mix and match these. You guys don't have to buy all 4 men's. You could buy 4 men's and 2 women's and or whatever you guys want to do. So there's that deal. Now I also did the kids deal where it's the kids shampoo and conditioner. Now these were $2.99. I used that 2 off a 2 coupon. Just hold on, put it back for a second. You guys want to use that 2 off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $7.96. You guys would end up getting a $5 gift card, Benjamin. So you guys would end up getting all 4 of these for just $2.96 or 74 cents a piece. So I ended up getting the Swab Kids Purely Fun, the Swab Kids 3-in-1, and then I got 2 different types of detanglers. So, ooh, I don't even know what that is. A platypus or something. Ooh, Benjamin, look what you got. You got the golden one. We're just opening blind bags, apparently. So, look at that, Ben. You got the golden hippo. That's cool. So, definitely do that. And then also submit your guys' receipts to Fetch Rewards because you guys will get points.
I don't know this.
Yeah, well, look for look for the card. Is there a card? Go look for it in there, honey. So the next deal I got is a Swab, just Swab Gold. These were $2.89. You guys want to use that 3 off a 2 coupon. You want to use 2 of those. You guys would end up paying $5.56 for the 4 of these. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making it just 56 cents or just 14 cents a piece, which I think for shampoo and conditioner, that is a great, great deal. And then I did one more Swab deal. I did the Swab, like,
Mommy, I don't know.
styling. We're not opening anymore, honey.
I know.
So these were $2.99. You guys want to use that 3 off a 2 coupon. You want to choose 2 of those. You guys will pay $5.96 for these. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making all 4 just 96 cents or just 24 cents a piece. So I think that is a pretty good deal. So if you guys are interested in that. The next deal I did was the Dove and Vaseline deal. Now the Dove was $3.39 and the Vaseline was $3.49. You guys want to use 2 $1.25 off coupons for the Dove deodorant, and you guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons for the Vaseline. You guys would end up paying just $7.26 for all 4 of these items. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card, making it just $6. Where did I lose my spot at? $6. No, that's not right. $2.26 or just 56 cents a piece. So I like getting lotion. I get lotion all the time, but I rarely ever get Dove deodorant. So I think for 56 cents a piece, I think that's a pretty good deal. So definitely do that deal if you guys were interested in that. Now I ended up getting Jet Dry. This is something that my dishwasher eats like crazy. I wanted to get the dishwasher tablets, but my store was sold out. They didn't have any more. So I'm like, I'll get Jet Dry. That's something I could actually really use. So these were $3.89 at my store. You guys want to use buy 4 of them. You guys want to use 4 of those $2 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $7.56 for all 4 of these. But then you guys have that coupon that is in the ad, or you can have them scan your phone, or you can text message it to you guys, and you guys will get a $5 gift card, making it just $2.56 or just 64 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. This is something that my dishwasher eats like crazy because I always do the drying mode. So I'm totally cool with having a bunch of this stuff. I like stocking up on a lot of that stuff. I also ended up doing, now this is an easy deal that you guys want to do. Benjamin, can you just be quiet for a second? Now there's Savings Star, there's a gold bond deal. Now this is the gold bond that's in the travel section. This is 99 cents for these, okay? You guys would pay $1.98. I don't even know where I put my spot. You guys would pay $1.98 for both of these, but then you guys can submit a $3 off of 2 rebate on Savings Star, making it just a $1.02 moneymaker. So you guys will get these absolutely for free. So definitely do that. These are like the little travel size, so I had to definitely get that. Yes. And I was able to add it still today after, you know, a day or so. So make sure you guys add it because it won't be available. And then the last item I got is the Rojo Doh. These were $9.99. They are regular price, that price. You guys want to use that $5 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $4.99 for this. But then you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making it absolutely free, or like a 1 penny moneymaker. So love that. So yes, that was my haul. I'm actually pretty excited. I got some pretty decent items this time. I got stuff to show you guys. Not much going on with not much going on with Ibotta, but I definitely got a lot of gift cards back. So my total came to $71.93. I haven't paid that much in a very long time at Target. I ended up getting $5.75 back with Ibotta. For Savings Star, I ended up getting $6 back. With Fetch Rewards, I ended up getting 253 points altogether. I ended up getting $40 back in gift cards. $40 back in gift cards. That is awesome. And then if you add everything up, I paid $20.18 for everything. That came out to be 34 items for just 59 cents a piece. I think that's pretty good. I got a lot of stuff for a $20 bill. That is awesome. So just wanted to share with you guys on stuff like that. Now those gift cards, I will be, you know, rolling them and using them. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.